In this week's Song Surgeon video tip, we're going to create a drum loop using a single measure of music and Song Surgeon's export duplicate count. Greetings everyone, this is Jim Todd, and let's go ahead and get right to this demonstration. As you can see on my screen, I have Song Surgeon open and I have this drum loop, this single measure already loaded. Let's go ahead and play it back. And the first thing you might notice is that it's pretty quiet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in or zoom out a little more. I'm going to select the entire drum loop and I'm going to edit it, and we're going to pump up the volume. And it's pretty low, so I'm going to do this at about 400%, give or take. So now let's play it back again. Okay, so I think maybe you can hear the drum loop now. Now here's where the interesting part comes into me. We're going to take this drum loop and we're going to make multiple copies of it and put them end to end. So essentially we're going to take this drum loop and copy it and then paste it back in and paste it back in and paste it back in multiple times. And rather than do this all manually, if we go to the export button, we select the entire song. We're going to select a file format, of which I'm going to assign MP3. We're going to give it a name like Drum Loops. We're going to call it Drum Loops 2 because I have a Drum Loops 1. And then we're also going to, right here under Export Duplicate Count, we're going to tell it how many copies of this loop we want to make. And it's a single measure, so why don't we say we're going to make 76 copies of that and put it back to back. Select Save. It opens this intermediate dialog window to choose your MP3 format. And please note that in this particular case, we have a 22,050 Hertz file, so we need to match that when we export. So we're going to scroll down through our list here and select a 22,050. We're going to click OK, and you can see it's exporting down here, and it's done. So now let's go ahead and open Song Surgeon 4 folder, go to the export subfolder. We're going to look for drum loops. Here it is, Drum Loops 2. Let's open it up, and you can see on the screen now that we have about 1 minute and 37 seconds. And let's go ahead and listen to this. So you can see we've taken a single measure of music and made a continuous loop here. 76 measures. You can make this for as long or as short as you want. And of course, it's just not for drum loops. You can use this for a variety of other things. You can use something like this to make a click track as well. But it is a way to show you one of the many uses for Song Surgeon, and specifically to show you the function and the value of this export duplicate count down here and how you can use it. That will conclude today's weekly video tip. Thanks for watching.